Hello everyone, welcome to Question with Answer, and Day 7 for Python Interview Question and Answer for 2025. If you haven't watched previous videos, please watch it. You can find link in description below. So, whether you're preparing for an upcoming interview or just looking to sharpen your coding skills, this video is absolutely for you. So if you are ready, let's start today's video. What is a pass statement in Python? Answer. In Python, pass is a keyword used as a placeholder when a statement is syntactically required but no action is desired. It allows the code to execute without throwing an error. Essentially, it is a null operation. Nothing happens when it is executed. The pass statement is often used in the following scenarios. 1. Stub functions or classes. When designing a program, you may outline the structure with functions or classes that are not yet implemented. Using pass avoids syntax errors while leaving a placeholder for future code. 2. Conditional statements. In cases where specific branches of a conditional statement do not require action, pass is used to indicate that no operation is needed. 3. Loops. It can be used in loops as a placeholder while the logic is being developed. Using pass helps in maintaining clean code while signaling that certain parts of the code are intentionally left empty. Unlike comments, pass is a syntactically valid Python statement, ensuring the interpreter can process it without errors. This makes it an essential tool during the development process for writing and debugging incomplete code. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell for more content, so you don't miss any upcoming video. And, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.